Hello my people, what up? It's your boy Gadget. So guys, today we have this Ch9 Camon 18 Premier by Ch9. It has an issue with a light. It's no more charging. So the customer complained that the current of the light was high, so it burnt the phone and some chargers and some other accessories as well. So since then the phone is no more charging. So, and I checked the charging point, everything is working well, but I discovered that the V-bus line is shorted to the ground. As you can see, I'm checking right now. Listen guys, this is the V-bus line. You can see that it's shorted to the ground. So without time wasted, let's dive into this phone and see. So with that reading, we already know that it's from the charging section of the phone. So I've already cut out the shoe, so I just have to hit it and bring out the shoe so that I will troubleshoot and see what the fault is. So let's open the shoe, pop it out just like that. So guys, we have to clean this place so that it will be looking nice and clean, so that it will be easier for us to troubleshoot, you know. So guys, let's set our multimeter to user mode and then check out the capacitors and see the one that is shorting to the ground. Not shorting, 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 not shorting. This is a coil. Not shorting, not shorting. So guys, see the capacitors here are not shorting, but there is this particular capacitor that we have not checked, and that's the one that is linked to the OVP IC. So you can see other capacitors are not shorting. You can see that this resistor is shorting. So